Have you come across the phrase communication is the key? Communication ही वो असली चाबी है. Yes, it is true in all possible circumstances. Communication एक वो चाबी है जो किसी भी दरवाजे का ताला खोल सकती है. Even if you are very intelligent, it might be possible that you do not get into an interview. Even if you are very friendly, you might not have many friends. Even if you are very close to someone, still you might not be able to talk properly. Why is it so? It is only because communication is the key. Let's see how to open the doors जो कि communication की वजह से रुके हुए हैं. So let's start this video. Say hello to life and welcome to my channel Ola Zindagi. In this very video, we would be addressing to 5 such things that you should keep in mind while making any kind of communication. अगर हमने ऐसा कर लिया और या फिर हम इसको कुछ एक्सटेंट तक भी कर पाए, trust me, you will have great communication and nothing can stop you from there. So let's see the 5 ways to have an awesome communication skill. The first and the foremost thing, be very supportive or learn how to pull communications. What does pulling communication mean? किसी भी communication के अंदर engaged रहने को pulling the communication कहते हैं. The problem is with most of us that हम conversation शुरू करते हैं, फिर हमें समझ में नहीं आता आगे क्या बोले, या फिर हम conversation break ही नहीं कर पाते या फिर start ही नहीं कर पाते. वो इसलिए होता है because we do not pull communications. हमें बातों में से बात निकालनी पड़ती है. We have to pull the communication. And secondly, we have to be very supportive. Now, what happens is sometimes you listen to a person and quickly you start framing something in your mind कि मुझे इसके बाद ये बोलना है. So, communication is not the process of speaking. Communication का मतलब बोलना तो बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. Speaking is a part of communication. Communication is an overall process that includes listening, speaking, hand movements, body postures, eye contact and a lot more. इसको हम लोग जितने भी नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशंस होते हैं इनको काइनेसिस बोलते हैं या फिर आप इनको सॉफ्ट स्किल्स में ट्रीट कर सकते हैं. ये वो कम्युनिकेशन का पार्ट है जो आपको किसी के साथ कम्युनिकेट करना आसान बनाता है. So the first thing is that you have to learn to master the art of soft skills. Plus, we have to learn how to pull communication. Eye contact plays a very important role in the first step. See, even if you do not know what to say next or maybe you do not know how to pull a communication, one thing at least we could do is that we could just maintain an eye contact. So the other person knows कि हम at least उसकी बात में interested हैं. Showing interest is a great form of communication. तो अगर हम communication में interest भी show कर पाते हैं, supportive feel करा पाते हैं, supportive feel करते हैं और supportive feel करा पाते हैं या फिर हम communication को pull करना चाहते हैं, communication को खींचना जानते हैं, then trust me, no better way than starting a communication. Point number 2. This is a very important point, especially to the people with great knowledge. है ना? जब हम किसी इंटरव्यू में जाते हैं या फिर हम किसी से बात कर रहे होते हैं कहीं पर भी खड़े होके, हमारे पास नॉलेज है, वी आर एजुकेटेड एंड बहुत सारी डिग्रीज होंगी, बहुत सारी नॉलेज होगी या फिर एक्सपीरियंस के थ्रू बहुत सारी नॉलेज होगी. द प्रॉब्लम कम्स व्हेन वी स्टार्ट शोइंग ऑफ अ नॉलेज. नॉलेज होना अच्छी बात है, यूज करना और इम्पॉर्टेंट है, बट वी शुड नो हाउ टू यूज इट और हाउ टू शोकेस इट इंटेलिजेंटली. इंटेलिजेंटली इज द वर्ड हियर बिकॉज कम्युनिकेशन में आपको अपने आप को ओवरडू नहीं करना है. सो व्हेन अ कम्युनिकेशन इज थ्रोन ऑन यू, कोई ऐसी बात चल रही है, आपको तब लगता है कि आप उस पर्टिकुलर नॉलेज को यूज कर सकते हो, तब ही करना चाहिए. किसी भी केस में अपनी नॉलेज को दूसरे पे थोपने की कोशिश नहीं करनी. This is important because usually what happens is only to pull conversations, we end up distracting from the topic and we start beating around the bush. This is what we do not have to do. फालतू की बातें करने से the only thing that you do to yourself is that you end up looking foolish. This is one thing that has to be avoided to great extent. Start using your knowledge intelligently. Point number 3. When you're asked to give your introduction, make sure that it is short and crisp. Short and crisp का मतलब होता है बहुत ही गिने चुने शब्दों में आपको अपना introduction देना चाहिए. Why is it so? Suppose I ask you, tell me something about yourself. क्या आप अपने बचपन से शुरू कर देंगे? No, that doesn't happen. Tell me something about yourself has to be very crisp. बहुत जल्दी से आप आंसर दीजिएगा. My name is so and so. I belong to so and so city and I do this work and this is what is something about me. Bas. That is the entire introduction that you have to make. If the other person is interested or if the other person wants to know, वो आपसे further details पूछ लेंगे. And anyhow when you end into conversations को लंबा खींचते हो, तब आप अपनी बाकी की चीजें अपने बारे में unravel कर सकते हो. But make sure that you keep your introductions very crisp and short, to the point. Point number 4. Point number 4 is ask questions. Ask questions, but only intelligent questions. Do not ask for the sake of asking. Never do it. If someone asks you at the end of a session, do you have a question? Make sure आप वो question तभी पूछ रहे हो जब वो question important है. Secondly, जब वो question आपको actual में समझ में नहीं आया था कुछ part. Thirdly, तभी when it is relevant and related and you think you cannot find the answer by yourself. बचपन में हमको हमारे टीचर्स बोलते थे कि अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आया तो मुझसे 100 बार पूछ लो, I'll still answer. वो चीजें हमें अपने बचपन पे छोड़ देनी चाहिए. Now the real world doesn't work like that. You may sound foolish when you ask unnecessary questions. Ask questions, inquisitive होना अच्छी बात है, but way ahead जाके सिर्फ इसलिए questions पूछना कि बस हमें पूछना है, we have to be engrossed in the conversations, that doesn't happen. Ask intelligent questions only. Point number 5, the last point for this video and a very very important point. Maintain your voice and tone. Voice और tone बहुत important होता है. अब आप मुझसे बोलेंगे कि हर जने को voice तो पता ही है. Voice पे बहुत लंबा काम करना होता है. Voice is something that you have to work on really deeply and greatly. This is because आपका pronunciations, आपके accents, आपका मदर टंग इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं होना चाहिए आपकी वॉइस में. आपका वॉइस उस टोन को उस प्लेस को सूटेबल होना चाहिए. आपका वॉइस आपकी ऑडियंस के हिसाब से होना चाहिए. आपकी वॉइस और टोन बहुत हम्बल होना चाहिए. एंड दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज योर वॉइस एंड टोन दे डिफाइन यू एज अ पर्सन. You might have incredible amount of knowledge, but if you do not know how to put it across or how to use the perfect voice and tone, you might not sound intelligent. See, communication acts as your first impression. And if you do not put it across very well, no matter what talents you have, no matter what intelligence you have, no matter how much knowledge you have, that might sound waste on the first instant. And in many cases, first impression is the last impression. I know we should not judge a book by its cover, but anyhow, if the cover looks appealing, then only you go ahead and buy the book. So that's why make your communications very interesting, make your communications important, pay attention to them, और बाकी कोई problem हो तो मैं हूँ ना. आई होप ये 5 पॉइंट्स हम याद कर सकते हैं और याद रख सकते हैं. एंड ये 5 पॉइंट्स हम obviously it doesn't come easy. You have to practice. A lot of practice is involved in making all these perfect for your communication style. तो फटाफट से रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. The first thing is that you have to be very supportive. You know how to pull conversations and work on your soft skills and your body language. The second thing is that you should know how to display your knowledge intelligently. Do not overdo or over showcase your knowledge. The third thing is make your introductions very short and crisp. The introductions need to be to the point. The fourth point, that you should ask questions very intelligently. Ask questions only if required. Do not ask for the sake of asking. And the fifth point, which is one of the most important points of all of them, is कि आपको अपने voice and tone पे work करना चाहिए. Work on your voice and tone, and that is how you can make a mark. So go out, make a mark, and as we all know, we can all do it. Communication is something that we have to practice. We are all born with it. It's just that we need to polish, and we all can do it. So that is all for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you find it interesting, and I hope you get to learn something new. If you have any doubts or queries, you can mention in the comment section below. You can also send me an Instagram message on the Instagram ID that is mentioned here. In case of any other doubts, you can also email me on the email ID given in the description box below. Thank you so much. Make sure you like the video, comment in the comment section below, and share it with as many people as possible so that we help everyone communicate better. Thank you so much. Say hello to life. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Let's meet in the next video very soon.